Hi again, boys and girls. If you've been practicing the first two parts of our dance, well, now you know it. All we have to do today is put those two parts together. And then if we get that right, we'll try it with some music. Okay, so will we remind ourselves of the different parts of the dance? We started facing this way, and we started on our left side with 4 hits. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we did our 4 shuffles. 1, 2, 3, 4. We did 4 steps forward with a tap. 1, 2, 3, 4, tap. Then we did 3 steps on the tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. And 3 steps backwards with the tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. And that's the whole dance, boys and girls. On that last tap, we're back doing our 4 hips. Easy peasy. And you'll notice when you do it that you're making a big square. So let me show you what happens. You start here, you go forward and a turn, back to the side and backwards in an L shape. The next time you do it, you go forwards, you turn outwards, over to the side and backwards. Next time it's forward here, turn out, over to the side, backwards, and then to complete our square we go forwards again, over to the side and back, and we made a giant square. So let's give it a go with the music. See what happens. The first time I do the square, I'll do the counts for you. Our 4s and our 3s and our taps. And then we'll try it again where you're just counting in your head. Okay, let's get the music on. Right. Get ready. Let's go. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shuffle, 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 shuffle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. You did it! Well done, boys and girls, and you can just keep going around in your square. Practice loads today and we'll do it together on our Zoom call tomorrow.